Hi, my name is Jvega, November 2020. Introduction. The present world seeks to investigate and understand topics such as the best then tactics to do business and understand its tools, movements, and dialect suitable for a business where there is a win. In the same way, we love for step by step through the infographics of the full phase for a business and also now the contracts to patent an idea or business products. Problem 3. Lack of information on the market and marketing channel. Identify the market nationally and internationally. Review take longer to run. Managers have to tool to contact or specialists with industrial experience to obtain first-hand data and information. There is not enough information to identify the market and its characteristics. There is not participation of a company or entity contractors. There are not specialists in technological and competitive surveillance to obtain such information. Recommendations 1. Have staff trained and updated on the subject. 2. Design a research process with clients in order to have more information about the market. 3. Keep the distribution channels database updated to improve the sale of technologies. Conclusion. Like every research in scientific research, the research is systematic. Because if start from the approach of a problem, a hypothesis and objective, and use and establish order to call and analyze the data with the greatest precision, thus avoiding leaving the facts to chance. It is methodical because it requires a method to carry out the investigation of reality. It is empirical because it is based on the observation of phenomena directly by the research. Reference. These are my reference. Thank you so much.